How to save videos on Viber. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to save videos on Viber. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Viber app. Make sure to sign in. Tap more icon at bottom right. From the section, scroll down and navigate to settings. Tap on it. When you reach on setting page, select media. And here you will get variety of option. Simply make sure you tick mark the option for save to gallery, auto download media over mobile network, auto download media when connected to Wi-Fi, and after you turn on the button or check mark this option, the videos or photos will automatically be downloaded when you are connected to Wi-Fi and it will save to your gallery. And that's how we can easily save videos on Viber. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.